Have you just serviced your Vauxhall Corsa C and want to know how to turn off the service inspection light? Let us show you how. Let's go and take a look. All you need to do is press and hold your trip button and then turn your ignition onto the accessory position and then wait very patiently and then release, and then we can turn our ignition back off and now back on, and our service light is gone. Well, that was nice and straightforward for a change, wasn't it? If you found today's video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from us, don't forget to subscribe, because I can assure you we do a hell of a lot more than just turn off service lights. Thanks for watching, take care.